Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at these exclusive handmade wooden cases from Carved. Now, you can pick these up from carved.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. Now, if you watch my channel, y'all seen me review these cases and products before. I love these, but I got something special to show y'all today. First, let's take it to the website. One of a kind, wooden resin, made in the USA. Now, they make it for all of these iPhones and all of these Galaxies. Now, when you go to the website, you're going to see so many different designs. It's going to blow your mind. And if you hit shop, y'all seen me review all of these products before. I'll leave a link for that video right there. And y'all need to check these out. Let's see. Let's click on one just randomly. Matter of fact, let's do my favorite, the Live Edge. Okay. Now, these cost about $189. Okay. They're not cheap. But these are those kind of cases that you only got to buy once. Okay, let's do the live cases. These are my favorite ones, the Live Edge. That's the one that the wood goes all the way around. Let's see, and they got all of the names. All right, Cassandra. I think there's even one called the Flossy. All right, we got to find that one. But read the reviews for itself. All 5 stars. Okay. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's do one more. Let's see. Okay, we got recently showed. Let's see if iPhone 15 what they got. Okay, let's see. Bunch of different, look at this. We got Frank, Essie, okay? If you want blue, you got the Becky, Benjamin, you know what I'm saying? James. There's a Flossy on here somewhere. I remember seeing it, though. Okay, I'll find it before this video ends. But these cases right here, so sick. Look at this blue one right here. Crazy. Anyway, all right, so shout out to Carve for sending me this case right here to review. Because y'all know, y'all seen this one before. Okay, this is my my flower joint right here when I'm feeling a little zesty. But for my Galaxy, this one right here. Look at this. You see how the wood comes all the way around? This is official tissue. We got one for the iPhone. Look at this. Beautiful, handmade, one of one. Nobody got this except you. Because they can't make 2 of the same that look exactly the same. So this is one of one status. All right, so let's see what we got on deck for today. All right. One of one. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Got the John Wick special right here. Let's go ahead and hit this. Okay, even the box kind of has that wood look to it. Woo! Okay, check this one out. Check this one out. Now, of course, you get your carved.com. Check them out on the gram. Plug it and file it. Here we go. Right in time. Now, this is my last video before I go on vacation. I know y'all heard me say that all week. This one does have MagSafe. Okay. Let me go ahead and drop this on the iPhone. Now, look at that blue and blue. Woo! You gotta feel this case, okay? Hold on, let me do a smell test on this one. Oh, that's that wood. That's that wood. Okay, let's see. MagSafe, you see? Drop that MagSafe on it, and I got my little spinner, so I can spin that around. Bang! Look at this. Oh, look at this. Let's check the buttons real quick. Okay, buttons work. Let's check wireless charge. Got a wireless charger somewhere right here. Well, no, matter of fact, why not? I hate to leave any stone unturned. I'm gonna miss my flight behind this, but it'll be worth it. All right, I can't let y'all down. So if I miss my flight, I gotta test everything out. Okay, let's drop this on the charger. There's your wireless charge. Okay, lights flashing. But look at this. Okay, look at this case. Look how sick this is. All of the buttons, all of the cutouts, everything lines up. You're going to have to pay to play with these cases, but as you can see, they're going to look the same. Okay, this ain't the case that you get and it's going to look dirty, it's going to be falling apart. It's going to look the same. And you kind of wanted to get that. Look at this. You want this ain't a scar that I got. It came like this. This is that real wood. Some of y'all appreciate real wood. Wood. I'm so childish. All right, anyway, look at these. Now, before I get out of here, I got a funny thing I want to show y'all. Because my people's over at Carved, I told them, I said, look, man, I know these are all one-of-one cases, but I need a real one-of-one. I need a one-of-one, something that y'all don't even sell. I need a one-of-one that y'all do not even sell, that nobody can get but me. So they said, say less, say less. So check this out. Let me show you some one-on-one cases that they made for me. Check this out. This is so trolly. This is why I love them over there at Carved Up. We got the one-of-one, okay? This is artificial turf. Okay, this is the artificial turf case. Okay, for the Galaxy. Let me see. Let me drop my Galaxy in here. See what it look like. See what this one is. See what this look like right here. We got the artificial turf joint. Okay. You know, so when I'm outside working out in the park and I got my phone down like this on the floor, it blends right in with the artificial turf. Okay, nobody got this right. This is the artificial turf case, 101, just for floss. Let's see what else we got. Okay, like I said, you know, you get. I told you I need one, a matching one because it's my girl's birthday, so we need the matching cases. And you know what they told me? Say less. So check this one out. We got this is the Galaxy, This is the fur case. Hold up. Yo, bro, hold up. Chill, we got the fur case. Let's go ahead and drop this one on. See what it look like. Okay, you know, it's gonna block the camera a little bit, but hey, when I'm outside making a phone call, yo, what is that, bro? Chill, you ain't got this, man. You ain't got this, and you never seen this, all right? You never gonna see this again. Okay, this is official right here. And like I said, I got, you know, me and my girl, we like to look like the Bopsy twins. We like to rock out together. Y'all know I'm Team Galaxy. She Team iPhone. So we got the iPhone version. Let me go ahead. Let's see. Let's see. We got an iPhone right here. Let me go ahead and pop this one. Pop this iPhone out of this case right here. Hold up. Okay, we'll drop this iPhone in here. Okay, now, just got to be careful when you're taking your selfies. Make sure you get the fur out of the way. But look, tomorrow when we go to dinner, we got our phones on the table like this. People going to be like, yo, what is that? Yeah, it's kind of like a hand warmer also because I'm cold down here right now. This is pretty nice, though. All right, these are the one-of-ones. No, you can't buy these. Okay, I'm just trolling y'all right now. Artificial turf and the fur joints. But nevertheless, let's get serious for a minute. Let me stop playing around. I like this. I like this. Let me take this one off and get back to where we here. The live edge. The live edge means the wood goes all the way around. Wood. Look at this. Bang. This is how it's going to look on your Galaxy. And I had to give my pops one of these because when he watched my last video, he was like, bro, I'm not really into cases like that, but he was like, I need one of those wooden cases. So I had to give him one of my other ones for my iPhone. That's why I can't show y'all the last one from that video. But look at this. This is the new one right here. I mean, the feel of this, the look of this. All jokes aside, though. And look, I read the comments. I read the comments from the last video. A lot of people, especially like y'all nature dudes, people really appreciate wood. And let me say, people really appreciate the time and effort that it takes to make one of these cases. Now, let me look one more time. Hold up. All right, check this out. Now, I was going to go through the website and find the floss case, but there's just so many to choose from. It would have took me all day, and I ain't trying to miss my flight. And you see how many pages they got? But you'll probably be able to find your own name, too. You see we got Clara, Christy, okay? Let's see, we got Weston, Haley, Emma, all of these different cases. One of these is the floss case, but like I said, I got to catch a flight. If y'all find it on the website, hit me up and let me know. Anyway, this is the Carved Live Edge case. This is so official. I love it. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Let that sink in. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me go. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.